You can't lecture a child into being kind. You've probably tried. Say sorry. Share with your sister. Be nice. And somehow it never quite sticks. Here's the good news. Kindness isn't a personality your child is simply born with or without. It's a skill, and you can grow it. Today, I'll show you how kind children are actually made, the one well meaning mistake that quietly backfires, and the small daily habits that raise a genuinely caring kid. No lectures required. Every parent wants a kind child. Not just polite on command, but genuinely caring when no one is watching. The kind of kid who notices a friend, is sad, and goes to sit with them. That kind of warmth doesn't come from a sticker chart or a stern talk. It's grown quietly in the everyday moments you might not even notice. You'll learn why kindness develops the way it does, the trap that teaches kids to fake it, and 5 simple habits that build the real thing. Let's get into it. Here's what's really happening. Young children learn kindness the same way they learn language, by watching, copying, and feeling it directed at them. Your child's brain is built to imitate. When you speak gently, help a neighbor, or stay patient in traffic, they are taking notes. They become kind by catching it from you, far more than by being told to be. There's a second piece. Empathy grows through connection. A child who feels deeply understood learns from the inside what care feels like and then gives it away. So, kindness isn't a lecture you deliver, it's an experience you provide over and over. Now, let's turn that into habits you can actually use. Let's name the mistake first because it comes from love. When our child grabs a toy or hurts a friend, we want to fix it fast. So we demand the words. Say sorry, right now. The child mumbles, sorry, we feel better, and everyone moves on. But a forced apology teaches a child to perform kindness, not feel it. They learn the magic word that ends the trouble while the empathy underneath stays asleep. Worse, bribing kindness with rewards sends a quiet message. You only help when there's something in it for you. Real kindness can't be commanded or paid for. It has to be grown. So instead of forcing the feeling, here's how you build it. Habit 1, be the kindness you want to see. Your child copies what you do, not what you say. Let them catch you being gentle. Thank the bus driver. Help carry a bag. Speak kindly about people who aren't in the room. You are the first and best lesson. Habit 2, name feelings out loud. Empathy starts with noticing. Look, your friend seems sad. How do you think they feel? When you point to feelings in books, in others, in your child, you teach the radar that kindness runs on. Habit 3, choose warmth over bribes. Skip the sticker for sharing. Instead, notice the impact. Did you see your sister's face light up when you gave her a turn? You did that. Connection, not reward, makes kindness feel good from the inside. Habit 4, give them real chances to help. Kids feel kind when they get to contribute. Let them carry the groceries, water the plant, comfort the baby. Helping isn't a chore to them. It's how they learn they matter to other people. Habit 5, praise the act, not the label. Instead of, you're such a good boy, try, that was so kind. You shared without being asked. When you praise the specific kind action, your child learns exactly what to do again. Let's see all of this in one ordinary afternoon. Picture 2 kids and one favorite truck. The younger one reaches for it and the older one yanks it back. Mine! Cue the tears. The old script says, give it back and say sorry. Instead, Mom kneels down. You both really want the truck? That's hard. Then to the older one gently. Your brother looks so sad. What could we do so you both get a turn? She doesn't force the apology. She hands him the chance to be kind. After a pause, he sighs and says, "You can have it for 2 minutes." His brother beams, and Mom names it. "That was so kind. Look how happy you made him." No sticker, no lecture. Just a child who got to feel in his own body what kindness does. That's the moment that actually sticks. If this gave you a fresh way to see it, hit subscribe. We're building a calmer, kinder way to parent here at Petite Genius Academy, and I'd love for you to join us. And to make this easy to start, I made you a free 7-day kindness challenge, one tiny, doable kindness habit for each day of the week for your whole family. The link is right below. Go grab it. So here's the secret. You don't teach kindness with words. You grow it. Be the example. Name the feelings. Choose warmth over bribes. Let them help, and praise the kind act when you see it. Do that, and kindness stops being something you nag for and becomes simply who your child is. In the next video, we're turning that same warmth into responsibility. How to teach kids real responsibility through chores matched to their age without the daily battle. I'll see you there.